The lead investigator in the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial has told the High Court in Pretoria that Kelly Khumalo is the sixth suspect in the soccer star's murder and was due to be charged as far back as 2020. However, while Brigadier Bongani Gininda says he applied for a warrant of arrest, it was not authorised. Meyiwa was shot and killed while at Khumalo's parental home in Vosloorus on Gauteng's East Rand. 5 men are currently on trial at the High Court in Pretoria for the murder of the soccer star.
Currently, we have before standing and sitting before this court 5 accused persons, and in the statement it says 6 suspects actively participated in the planning and execution. Who is the 6th suspect?
It's Miss Kelly Khumalo, my lord. Remember this statement, I was applying for the warrant of arrest for Miss Kelly Khumalo, so she would have been the 6th suspect. This one, at that time, we already arranged. They'd already made their first appearance, so this was November. So I was now moving towards Miss Kelly Khumalo to be added.
Now, while Gininda previously testified that Khumalo was in communication with accused number 5, Fiso Ntuli, he told the court there's a communication link between the singer and alleged shooter accused number 3, Mthobisi Mncube.
There was a link between accused number 3 and Kelly Khumalo. That's the information that it did not disclose to court, according to him. I just want to follow that statement.
Are you able to explain, sir?
Yes, my lord. What I can explain is that the statement that I saw, and if it needs be, we can get to it and I can read it verbatim. There is the statement of Kenneth Stein links accused 3 with Miss Kelly Khumalo. That's the essence of it. As to how we put his terms, that's the part that I don't want to misquote him. But what is clear is that there's a link with Miss Kelly Khumalo and accused 3.
Engakusho-ke kune-statement mhlawumbe singasibheka-ke leso statement-ke ngoba-ke angifuni ukuthi ngisho-ke into angayishilo, kodwa nje ngamafishane nje ukuthi-ke yasho ukuthi khona-ke ukuhlanganisa noma-ke umsolo wesithathu kanye noMiss Kelly Khumalo.
Yeah, but what is of concern to this court was that statement discovered?
Yes, my lord. It's the statement
to the defense also.
Yes, it's the statement that was attached in the docket.
Wait. Let's understand each other. Take it slow. Because if you haven't discovered that information, you can't use it now. But the law allows you. If you have discovered all the information you are testifying about,
yes, my lord,
and you are able to say it was discovered, this is the information. But if you are not able to say that, I can't take that information. Are you with me?
I'm with you, my lord. What I know, my lord, the state statement was signed, attached in the docket, and it was disclosed.
Now, meanwhile, the same picture of money in a transparent bag found on Khumalo and Mncube's phone downloads was also found on Longethwala's phone. Defense lawyer Sipho Ramosepele asked if either were questioned on this.
Brigadier, let's go to the specific linkage that you talked about even in your evidence in chief, which is the transparent plastic with money in it, which you said from the downloads of accused number 3, the downloads of Longethwala, and the downloads of Kelly Khumalo, that photo is a common denominator. Is that correct?
That is correct, my lord.
As a lead investigator in this case, did you present and confront Kelly Khumalo about that photo and seek an explanation from her?
No, I did not, my lord. Remember the court, I've said, my lord, she was a person that we were intending to charge together with this accused. So the time when I would have approached her and obviously put these assertions would have been when I went to take a warning statement and process accordingly. There was enough, in my view, based on what we had, to apply for the warrant of arrest. And obviously, as the process, that's a normal process. Before a person appears, we'd have sat down with that person, interviewed that person, and these assertions would have been put, my lord. So at that stage, I didn't, but it was evidence that was important for me to mention in pursuance of the J50. In other words, the authorization from the NPA to be granted. But furthermore, my lord, one will also recall that I've indicated that it was a prosecutorial driven investigation.